Hey there, let's talk about cars because we love them. And welcome to the newest series on the channel. We are going to talk about three upcoming cars which are completely revamped from their previous generations. The cars on today's list are Honda Civic 2022, Hyundai Sonata 2022, and Kia Stinger. So without any further ado, let's hop into the video. Honda's well-known Civic is ready to be launched with a big sparkle for the 2022. It makes a big appearance with adult looks, new highlights, seducing styling, and a completely new interior. According to the tradition of the Civic will be launched with the new VTEC, the 4-cylinder legendary motor. But it will also be offered with a 1.5 turbocharged engine which will be slammed with a CVTi transmission. The car packs refreshed tech and a completely new interior philosophy which differentiates it from all the previous generations. The offered engines will produce 158 to 180 horsepower on different trims. The completely redesigned interior makes the car stand out, and the most bold move from Honda in this car is also the new interior. I am a bit confused about the new grille in the interior, which might catch a lot of dust once you start using the car in real world, but the designing is completely out of this world. The interior is minimalistic and high-tech. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto at the same time. The car also packs Bose sound system. The car is designed on the design philosophy of 1991 Honda Civic, which gives it its bold stance. The straight and sleek looks are from the 91 Civic. On number 2 is the Hyundai Sonata. The 2022 Sonata boasts with a striking look that includes a wind-carved body with sharp lines. The sleek headlights, which meet a chrome trim piece up the bonnet, shout premium. On the other hand, inside the Sonata, Hyundai takes a step towards timid, unique and minimal interior, which does not spark any lights but is pretty decent. The car ranges from 180 horsepower to 191 horsepower depending upon different trim levels. As we are talking about Korean market, let's move to Kia. On number 3 is a bit odd car. It's the Kia Stinger. It is the first in its generation. On previous cars, we were just talking a specific car revamp, but this car completely revamps the design statement of Kia. Kia's big sports sedan from 2022. The Stinger aims high to challenge the automotive elites from Europe. The Stinger offers a very premium sleek look that feels premium from inside out. The Stinger offers 300 horsepower from its 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and 368 horsepower from the available twin-turbo V6. The most bold part of the car, according to me, is the back of the car. It looks futuristic yet decent. It is not very flashy. So these were the three cars which are completely different from their previous generations. That's all from my side today. I am Zirat Gilani. You are watching Let's Talk About Cars. Peace.